Formula One car may be a little bit smaller than the average Komatsu machine, but the engineering skill sets and engineering mindsets are very similar. So it's no surprise then that when Williams come to our facilities, they have the time of their life.
Komatsu is a cherished partner of ours. We have so much similarity between both organizations. So they're different worlds, but they actually come together in a very, very similar way. What you notice is it's about all the small details that add up to this being a better way of fundamentally going about your job, and that's what we have in common.
Okay, so we go inside to meet the team and see the machine.
Good culture is about people, and it's people that make companies successful. The best teams win, and Komatsu and Williams is a great example of that.
It has been a privilege and an honor to be here in Komatsu. A group of people that is incredibly driven, incredibly enthusiastic about their job, with a clear ambition and a goal which is actually very, very similar to what we have in Formula One.
All our friends at Komatsu, thank you for your partnership in 2025.
Thank you to everyone at Komatsu for your partnership.
I really think this partnership is one of the best in Formula One.